Welcome student. Now in this lecture we are going to summarize this lesson of notice. Here are different types of notice or we can say announcements. Okay, in this we are going to have more explanations about the announcements. So here there is an event which is occur in the school. So different types of notices issued by the administration. So on the 6th July 2015, on the 6th July 2015, here is the notice about the cleaning of class. Okay. So let us read this point. It has been observed by the head boy and head girl. So their monitors are appointed in the class that the certain classes do not clean up their classrooms before leaving. If any class is found untidy and littered after school, that class will be detained the next day after school hours up to 4 p.m. 4 p.m. Please take note of this. So there are some classes who ignores the cleanliness in their class. They keep their class untidy and leave the class every day. So this come under the observation of the head girl for the cleanliness, who appointed as for the cleanliness, and head boy. So they issue this notice on 6th July 2015. This is one type of notice which is issued in the school. Here we have another notice for our observation, okay, which is issued on the 9th of July, because here the word here the word tomorrow shows that this notice is issued one day before, that is on 10th of July. School will close an hour earlier as the teacher have to attend an important PTA meeting. So please inform your parents to arrange to pick you up at 2 p.m. instead of 3 p.m. So here in this notice, the administration of school is give a notice about the changing in the time of school leaving, because the very next day there is a school closed earlier so that the teachers can attend an important meeting. So they wanted to make the arrangement of the student and give information to their parents. Okay. The another notice which is issued on the 12th of July. Okay. Here the first note is issued on 6th of July, second on the 9th of July, and third on the I think 11th or 10th of July. So let us read this notice, that is on Sunday 12th July 2015 there is a football match between classes 8 and 9 on the school ground. The match will begin at 9 a.m. All students are invited to come and cheer their favorite team. Please come on time so that the players are not distracted. So there is a football match on. So and they issued this notice to inform the parents. Okay. And the last one is the school has organized a storytelling competition of classes 5th, 6th and 7th, 21st to 25th of July. The competition will be held in the school hall at 10 in the morning. Children may select a fable, a folk tale, a fairy tale, a true story, a funny story. These type of subjects are given to children. 3 prizes will be given for each category. The time limit is 3 to 5 minutes. Those who wish to participate may contact Miss Sanjana Mohite for other details. They must register their names with her before the 16th of July. This is another notice about the school competition, inter-school competitions about a fairy tale or a telling stories between fifth, sixth, and 7th on the 21st to 25th of July. Okay, here is the sequence. Okay, you must observe the sequence of issuing notice. Second last one is constructions work to extend the school building will start next week. So their construction work is going on in the school. Due to that construction work, the school delay for reopening. All students are cautioned not to cross over the fence of the construction site. It is dangerous and may cause you injury. So they write in the red mark, that is, please stay away from that fence. It is a precautionary notice which is issued by the school administration. And here is the last one, a cycle key with a blue key chain has been found on the ground. Whoever compound word, okay, whoever has lost it can contact the clerk, Mrs. Nina Pinto, and if and see if it belongs to him or her. Okay. So in this way we go through the different types of notice issued by the school administration. Okay. If we observe their timing, or if we observe their subject arrangement, so we can get the more knowledge about the notice. Okay. So we will stop here because we revise these lessons very shortly. Okay. Here is an exercise of this lesson, that is change in the school. Choose the suitable heading for each announcement from those given below. So here are the subjects given below, and we have to issue notice about this subject. Present any one of the announcements yourself orally. And here are some group activities which you have to done in the school. Okay. So we will stop here.